Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shumatt channel. This is Sarah. Shumatt is an enterprise engaged in production, sales and service of diesel engine fuel system. We do this business for more than 10 years. Today, the product we would like to show you is the Injector repair kit, O-ring repair kit. Now follow me to have a look. Alright, this is the pack and take a look. This is the product SKU G1K34114310K5 kit. You can see our brand logo here. Actually, for the packing label logo, we Shumatt support customized services. We can design the packing for you. Alright, now let's see the product inside. Inside, we use this blue plastic bag to protect it. We can also support customized services. You can see there are 3 pieces O-ring inside of it. It's M11 series. It's durable, refined. We Shumatt supply you with high-quality products with favorable price. We also provide good after-sales service. We support 6 months warranty time. In this period of time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, you can return or exchange it. We will send out the product within 3 to 7 days after receiving payment. Our products are sold in more than 150 countries around the world. We can help our customers provide the documents for customs clearance, like the bill of lading contract, invoice, the certificate of origin, etc. We will check the product carefully before we send out it, and we're also making some inspections like full inspection, random inspection, and batch inspection to make sure the quality, so you don't need to worry about it. Alright, so much for the introduction. More information, focus on our channel. Any needs or questions, you can leave comment below. You'd better contact us directly by WhatsApp, email, or phone number. Waiting for your news. See you!